Good day, my friends. So today we're going to be replacing the screening around the pool and patio enclosure. And this section here happens to be on the top, like that one over there. Yeah. So going up the ladder, and pretty much the screen is being held in by this rubber looking thing that's called a spline. Okay, and then you just remove the best way you can. You keep just pulling it out until you remove it. Okay, oh yeah, work it. Okay, so once you remove the screen, then the channel where the spline was, you want to go ahead and clear out that channel, like whatever debris. You blow it out, brush it out, whatever. Okay, and then this is the screen that I'm going to be using. Just regular old screen pretty much. It says pool and patio screen, which is what I'm actually doing. And then I'm going to be using this flat spline, which instead of trying to get the dimensions and stuff, that's just a one size fits all kind of thing. Okay, so I've rolled out the screen and the spline that I'm gonna be using, because you don't want to do this when it's cold, okay? Word of advice, you want to do this on a warm day, not on a cold day, or heat up your spline. So with this flat spline, you want to put the round side or the bevel side down, and then you want to push it in one side to where you're not going to be rolling towards the screen side, and then you just work it in. Okay. All right, so pretty much you just put your spline in and you just roll it over. Okay, and you just keep going till you get to the end. All right, so what I did is from the inside, I worked the sides on both sides a little bit. So now I'm on the outside to do the finish tracking in the front. Once you have the spline secured, sorry, then you just cut away the excess screen and then you're good to go. And this is the view from below with it all done. What a beautiful